Caesar's dead, and Rome is broken. It's haunted by another age. Every fresco is a token of legends that today are spoken by rote, or from a faded page. Tragic ancient Roman places gloried long, then fell askew, to be replaced by living faces, thick with life and legend traces. Antiquity made anew. Caesar's dead, and there's instead a cityscape that teems with coffee cups and buttered bread, and people waiting to be wed, dreaming countless Roman dreams. Vincit, qui si Vincit, cuts the blade of ancient times in modern ages, so broken Rome can never fade. Each century a new one's made, and Rome is Rome, though Rome, it changes.